Hello everyone, I'm Shubham. In this video, we'll walk you through creating an event-based counter in PLG OS. Let's begin. From your dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Track and Measurements. From the drop-down menu, select Counters. To create a new one, click the Create a Counter button in the top right. A pop-up will appear asking for the type of counter you want to create. This time, select the event-based counter. Then, click Start Creating. Now, you can name your counter and add a description. Next, select the event you want to track. The event name should match the name of the event being sent from your application. Under Counter Property Details, you can filter your event by specific properties. Select a property and then enter the value you want to count. Once you've defined all the details, you're ready to publish. Click the Save and Publish button. Your new counter is now live and will begin tracking the specific events you've configured. You can always view and manage it from the main counters page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to view our other videos to understand PLG OS better.